So how to transfer data pen drive to A56 Samsung. So I have type C pen drive as well, and if you have USB, then you need to use this kind of converter. You can insert and then plug it. Now I have type C, just insert this pen drive in my Samsung A56. Now open your Samsung, then go to the my file, then under my file, then you can see USB. This is my pen drive. Suppose you want to transfer file pen drive to your internal device, then simply go to your pen drive. Suppose you want to transfer this image, then here you can see move copy. So copy. Now go back to your internal memory and just paste it here, show in folder. Then you can see it's as a, and you can also open it with your gallery as well. If you go to your gallery, and then you can see it's available here. And suppose you want to transfer file to phone to pen drive, then same process. Go to your internal memory, then select your file that's you want to transfer. Suppose this one, copy. Now make sure you are using USB. Now just copy here, then your file will be copy here. Now if you want to select bulk, then just press on hold and mark all and copy or move anything. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.